here is where our cooktop is going, and our hood vent will be here. So as you can see, we've already done the crown molding, and instead of cutting the crown molding and taking the chimney vent up and letting it butt up against the side of the crown molding, we're gonna be building a drop-down box for the chimney vent. So we'll do a drop-down box here and wrap the crown molding around it for the chimney vent. So stay tuned. Yeah. First thing we're going to do is find the center between the cabinets. And the box we're going to build, we'll do a 12-inch by 12-inch. And depending on your hood vent size or your chimney stack, you can do different size. So for this one, we're going to do 12 by 12. We'll cut a block 10 by 12, and we'll get it mounted to the ceiling. We'll come down where your crown molding is, which comes down about 3.5 inches, or the box drop down 3.5, and then we'll wrap it around. So first you start off with your size you want. So in our case, we're gonna go a little wider. So these are 11.25 both ways. And we're gonna add the 3/4 around the outside. So for the first one, this plate that's gonna go mounted to the ceiling, we're gonna take off 2 inches off the back side, because that's where the crown molding leans and meets the ceiling. So we'll mark this off and cut 2 inches off of it. So the piece that we took the 2 inches off of, we're going to mark your center, and we want to find the center for our wall, which is here. Let's mark it. And you want to find your stud. In our case, we do have a stud here. So we have a stud here, which is our center. So what you want to do is match that up to your center. I'm going to screw that into the stud. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our 1x4 and we're going to wrap it around here. We're going to do 45 on the corners. So we know we took 2 inches off of this one. We'll bring it here and we'll just mark it. Then we're going to slide our base under and tack it in. So the next thing you want to do is take 2 pieces of wood. In my case, I got 1. But you can take 2 pieces of wood and you're gonna cut either a 40 or 45 degree angle. You just want it to cover here, touch the wall without touching. So in our case, I did a 40 degree angle, and you wanna put it up. Make sure it's touching the wall back here. thing. Push it all the way in. Make sure it's touching the wall. And we're gonna mark out 45 here. So let's cut those pieces. So once you get your pieces cut, it should look like this. So we'll take this, put it in, and just take your scrap piece with a 45 cut on it, and you can dry fit it to make sure it fits. Take your piece that you started with, or you decide to cut a piece separate, and once we've cut our 40-degree angle on it, and don't cut it short, so that's what you're gonna have, and that's gonna get you to clear the bottom of your crown molding. So on your next piece, you're gonna have a 45, and we're gonna actually coat the end so your box will actually come out like that. So we'll go ahead and coat this end, and we'll butt it in, and we'll mark that next. And for the miter edges, we're going to use our whip glue here, and also we're going to use our miter CA glue for this. This is how you build a box for your chimney hood panel. The advantage of it, it adds more detail, makes it look as if it's going through the roof. So in our case, our vent would be going through the back. This is an exterior wall. So like I said, it adds more detail, and just take your crown molding, wrap it around. Now all we have to do is take it, caulk it, paint it, fill in our nail holes, and we're good to go. So don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and hit the notification for more upcoming videos. Talk to you later.